Understanding how a distribution box works. Now guys, don't attempt to wire one yourself. Please call an electrician because they need to do it safely and obviously issue a COC certificate. Now this is quite an interesting topic for me, and I hope you guys find it as interesting as I found it. Now the wires coming into your home would usually be a much thicker cable, which is roughly around 16 millimeter. Now for demonstration purposes, we have used a slightly smaller cable, but it's completely unsafe if you choose to wire it this way. Now from here, you can see that 3 wires come in: your live, which is your dangerous one, your neutral, and obviously your earth. Your live and your neutral would come into the first breaker, which is known as a main breaker. From here, the live then continues to an earth leakage. Now the purpose of an earth leakage is in the event of a fault, then the earth leakage would fall, cutting off power to the rest of your home. Your neutral then exits from here. It also goes to your earth leakage, and from your earth leakage it goes over to what we call a neutral bar. The earth coming in, we'll see that it goes to an earth bar, and the earth from the rest of the home would then attach to here. The live then leaves the earth leakage and comes to the first breaker, and it simply bridges from one breaker to the next. Now you can use the bridge system over here, or we can use what we call a bus bar. Now the bus bar also links or collects power from them all. The neutral, on the other hand, leaves the earth leakage and comes to what we call a neutral bar. The neutral from the rest of the home would come to the same bar. In the event that you have a geyser, the geyser would have its own separate neutral line, because if you need to replace a geyser, then the neutral needs to be cut also as well from there. Now let's use a small example as if power was coming from your home. Now we have a little cable to indicate power either coming from lights, plug point, or a stove. Now from here you see that the earth is coming directly to the earth bar as indicated in the start. The neutral goes to the neutral bar, and the live runs to its dedicated breaker. Now obviously the plug points would use a higher breaker, and obviously lights would use a smaller breaker. Now after all of that there, don't forget, once you completely finish wire up, you have your little distribution box stickers, and from there you can mark your dedicated breakers so you know exactly which breaker is which without opening up the cover. So come down to Salaji's Hardware Amanzini Toti, and we have a wide variety of electrical products just for you. See you guys soon.